This is a book called I Can Do It by Laura Wright. Illustrated by Anna Santos. I can do it. My name is Jen. Sometimes I feel like I can't do things because I'm a kid. But I am strong, I am brave, and I can do so many things. I feel happy when I get a new pet, but nervous too. It's a lot of work to care for animals. Can I do it? I can prepare for the work I'll have to do. I can practice how to play with a pet. I can make sure my pet has food and water. I can have a pet. I can do it. I feel upset when I have to share my toys. Can I do this? I can hide all my good stuff. I can pretend to fall asleep on my toys. I can find a way to share and still be happy. I can try to share. I can do it. I feel frustrated when grown-ups don't let me try to do my zipper. Can I do it myself? I can get dressed early. I can practice in secret. I can prove that I'm able to try it myself. I can try to do zippers. I can do it. I feel embarrassed when I'm learning ninjutsu because the moves don't look right. Can I ever get better? I can pretend to be sick and not go. I can say that my room smells too funny. I can practice until I feel more confident. I can get better at this. I can do it. I feel guilty when I do something wrong, and I know that I will be in trouble. Can I deal with it? I can pretend it wasn't me. I can hide the mistake. I can make it right. I can deal with my mistakes. I can do it. I feel sad when someone I love is upset with me. What can I do? I can pretend I don't care. I can get mad at them instead. I can try to say sorry. I can find a way to make things better. I can do it. I feel disappointed when I try so hard but don't win. Can I do this? I can stomp around and yell. I can see if a new sled will help. I can try to have fun no matter what. I can be a good sport. I can do it. I feel scared to move to a new house, and I don't want to go. I don't know if I can do this. I can move in with a friend instead. I can live in my tree house forever. I can stick with my family no matter where they go. I can move to a new house. I can do it. I feel stubborn when I only want to play my game. What can I do? I can try to explain the game louder. I can choose to play alone. I can take turns playing other games. I can be less stubborn. I can do it. Sometimes I feel nervous, upset, frustrated, embarrassed, guilty, sad, impatient, disappointed, scared, and stubborn. But I am strong, I am brave, and I can do so many things. I can do it. And so can you. Sometimes you just need your inner coach to tell you that you can do it and keep trying.